Okay.
All right, guys. I actually, I think we ran across something that's a little indifferent, and wanted y'all's opinion. I don't know what it is. Pawpaw here thinks he knows what it is, and we're about to show you. So.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see us through.
What's going on, guys? It's Jason Thrift Trader coming back to you again from my shop. And today we're just going through a bunch of stuff, putting out more piles for sale on Facebook Marketplace. Just put out a pile asking $80 for everything, so we'll see how quickly we can get rid of it. Let me show you what I've got here. Okay, so this is the pile. Just a bunch of baby clothes here, random household stuff. Got a vacuum cleaner, some pillows, got let's see here, just a lot of random stuff in here, guys. There's a SpongeBob SquarePants kids thing, a bunch of clothes. Here's more clothing. Here's a whole box full of clothing. Got this DeWalt saw I've actually had for quite a while, and I pulled this out of a dumpster, so this thing was absolutely free to me. The thing is, though, is you will need to get a new power cord for it. So you'll have to, whoever gets this, they'll have to fix it before they even use it. So there's that, and there's a Pioneer CD changer thing there. But really, that's just the gist of it. This pile, I'm asking 80 bucks for it. You know, if somebody offers me 60, I'll say fine. And I just want them to take it.
Okay.
All right, guys. I actually, I think we ran across something that's a little indifferent, and wanted y'all's opinion. I don't know what it is. Pawpaw here thinks he knows what it is, and we're about to show you. So let's look at this. All right, Pawpaw, come on. Let's take a look, see what we got here. All right, Pawpaw's with me. Say hi, Pawpaw.
Hi, Pawpaw.
Hi, Pawpaw. We're just out here digging through some stuff, but guys, look at this. So this right here was found in a pile of stuff from an older storage unit that I had bought, and we're not so sure what it is.
I can tell you exactly what it is.
Pawpaw,
It's somebody.
Pawpaw said it is some body. And you know what? I think we've got the remains of an individual here. There's no markings. What would you do, guys? What would you do in this situation? Would you take it back to the storage unit that it came from, or would you respectfully spread it in your yard? What would you do? So that is the question. That is the question that I have for you guys. So please comment below. Let me know what you guys would do, because I'm very interested to know.
I'll take it back up here to the funeral home and let them deal with it, or ask what they would do with
Take it to the funeral home?
it. Yeah, let them see what they would do with it, or recommend you do with it.
But I never thought in a million years I'd run across something like this, but here we are. And now we've got to figure out what we should do with it. So the storage unit it came from looked like, I mean, I assumed it was all junk except for a couple of items. I knew it was. We paid $25 for the unit. This was a couple months ago, and I just kind of stacked it all aside. I got a couple of things out that I knew that were worth a little bit of money, and stacked the rest aside. And now we're, you know, going through this stuff, and so ran across this. And so anyways, just wanted to ask you guys, what would you do? And please comment below. Look at all that trash. And we got rid of the stuff. So, boom. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with this though. Still don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Oh boy. Do not know. Yeah. So we made $85 cashola getting rid of the yard sale stuff. Yep, didn't we? Made 85 bucks. Starting to look a little better. Getting things cleared up. Woohoo! Money, money.